Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add your Instagram Reels over into your WhatsApp status. So let's get right into it. Now this method is very easy. You can add it pretty much as easily as you would add it to your own story on Instagram. You can add it to your WhatsApp status the same pretty easily because WhatsApp and Instagram are both platforms owned by Meta. So it's very easily doable. Now all you need to do is locate the reel that you want. So for example, let's say this suggested reel, click on the share button, and as you can see at the very bottom, you can just find the status, click on that, and then it'll share it to your status. You can alternatively just click on WhatsApp, and then that would also enable you to select the status as the place where you want to share it. Now I'm going to go over into my reels for just a second. If you want to post your own reel on your status and not somebody else's, you can also do it in an alternative way if this way doesn't work for you. And that way is pretty much just downloading your reel to your gallery and then going on to post it on your status, and that's very easily done. So you can do it either from the full reel view just like this, or from the feed view like this. And let's say from the feed view right now, we go and click on the three dots at the top right next to your account name, and then as you'll see, you have the option to turn on or turn off the downloading. If it's on, you can very easily just go into the full reel view. Not really sure why this is not possible in the post view. However, go into the full reel view, then click on the three dots in the bottom right, click on manage, and from here, as you'll see at the very bottom, you have the option to download it to your gallery and post it on your status, and you're pretty much done. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.